If you have not, please, I'm gonna ask you to subscribe, hit that notification bell so every time I post a new video, it will notify you. Now, today's video is gonna be a tad different. I'm going to break down the outfit. Now, the outfit that I'm gonna break down is going to be like a high and a low of the outfit. I'm always telling you guys how I like to save money, and I'm gonna show you today that I really do save money. I really do. So I was shopping in Off Saks and I came across this blazer from Saint Laurent. And if you don't, every time you post or every time you buy something when it's expensive or you see it out and you like, oh, I wonder if I'm getting its value, you can always Google it. Google will tell you so many different prices, like a fashion file, Poshmark, like who's ever selling that item, it will tell you how much that item is. So when I Googled it, it was $2,800 and in the store it was $380. So I had to get this blazer. It was like to die for. It was very classic. I know that I will have this item. It's a forever piece. I do like to buy forever pieces because when I do invest in my wardrobe, I do like to buy stuff that I feel like I'm going to or can have forever. But I know now people are selling like things on Poshmark and Fashion File and a Real and things like that. So they can buy new items, I guess. But just to get rid of, you have so much stuff, so why not make money from it? And I do have a Poshmark. I'm gonna link it down below. So if you see a lot of thrift items that you like, because I do buy to put it on Poshmark, and some stuff I keep, sometimes I don't keep it. I sell it on Poshmark. So if you see something on my video and you like it, most likely it is on my Poshmark. So go there and shop. And I do have to put more items up there, so I will be doing that soon. Now, breaking down the outfit. Let's break down this outfit, and our expensive piece is going to be our blazer. And then I got this tank top, which I have on. I got it from Forever 21. I actually got it for original price, $19.99, but I was recently in Forever 21 on Monday, and they had this for $12, and they have every color like you can imagine. But I guarantee you, if you guys wait until Martin Luther King weekend, you will get like the best prices for everything, because they like to get rid of all their winter and fall things, and they're getting ready for spring. So most of that stuff is going to be like buy one get one free, or buy one get the other one, or 50% off the second item. Usually Forever 21 does like a buy one get one free. And then my pants that I have on, they are from my boutique, Kiki's Closet. I only have one size left, which is a large. And it is on sale now for $15. And I'm looking at this outfit and I'm like, girl, I should have wore this for New Year's Eve. Like, what was I thinking? But if you watch my TikToks and my reel, you see I did wear sequins. I wore a greenish little cocktail dress that I actually thrifted for $9. So it looked super, super expensive. Like I spent a lot of money, but I didn't. So let's break down this outfit, and I'm going to show you 3 looks, how I paired the 3 looks to make it look like expensive, well, to high and low it. So we're gonna break down the outfit, and I'm gonna show you 3 different ways that I high-low the outfit. Now, the outfit that we're going to be doing is the blazer, the tank top, and the trousers. So I'm gonna show you accessories that you can pair and kind of high-low your items. Like for me, if I high-low my items, I am wearing like clothes that's probably not expensive, but all my accessories are very expensive. So that's usually how I high-low it. Or if I'm wearing something expensive, as a pair of pants or a shirt or a blazer, then probably low end my shoes or my accessories might be from Walmart. My earrings might be $1, but the whole purpose is to look luxurious, look expensive, without breaking a bank. So the first outfit that I put together was not really an outfit. The first look that I'm giving you, I'm wearing my Christian Dior frames, and then I paired it with my Fendi clutch. I am a clutch girl. I love clutch, and I love clutches. And it had the yellow in it, so I was wearing all black. So I figured it would be like a cool way to like give it a pop of color. So I wore the yellow glasses with the black clutch that had the pop of color. And then my shoes, they're from Aldo. I got them on sale for like $50. Usually those are like $119, $129, something like that. They could be, to me, that's pricey for a plain leather pump. But I know Steve Madden also has them, but they always have sales as well. Second look, we're going with my Fendi sunglasses. They make you look very expensive, very polished looking. And then I paired it with my YSL bag, and then I have my Louboutins. So that makes you look very expensive. All those items are very expensive. So of course you're gonna look expensive. And let's get to this third look that I absolutely love. I found these shoes in Ross for like $32.99. And they're Jessica Simpson, and I love the little bling bling or whatever they had going on, so I picked them up. They were not on sale, but I mean, for $32.99, like, you cannot beat that price. So the outfit, then I paired it with my Bottega bag, and then these Christian Dior sunglasses. They make me feel like a rich bitch. They do. So these are 3 ways that I showed you guys how to juice up your wardrobe, make you look expensive. Even if you have on like Zara, then you're juicing it up with Dior or Laurent or whoever your favorite designer is. Fendi, like, I love Fendi. I'm a Fendi girl. Like, I die for Fendi. when I go to other stores, I'm like, oh, I'm gonna try something different. I always end up at Fendi. Like, I just love Fendi. I love Fendi. Speaking of Fendi, I recently got me these boots from Fendi. I absolutely love them. So I'm gonna show you what I got. I'm gonna unbox them a little for you. So I'm gonna end this video. And I hope you guys like my little snippet of breaking down the outfit, and enjoy this unboxing of my Fendi boots. See you guys. I had these shoes forever. And all I did was come home and put it in this corner, and I never unboxed it. So I'm doing some videos today, so I am going to unbox her. Isn't she cute? Just a bag. But this is the receipt. As you see, I have not opened her up yet. This is the bag that comes in. love these shoes. Oh, good combat boot with that big Fendi. It's everything.